I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a question on depreciation of car. The question is, I just purchased a car for approximately $25,000. The value of the car depreciates at a rate of 15% annually. What will be its value after 5 years? So we are given the original cost, we call it principal. Principal amount is $25,000. And rate of depreciation R is 15%. 15% means 15 over 100, which we can write as 0.15. Now the question is, what will be its value after 5 years? Now those of you who know that this is an exponential decay, they can actually write the formula that the amount after any duration of time with that constant rate of interest could be given as the original amount plus 1 minus rate of interest to the power of t, where t is in years, right? So that is how we can apply this formula. Applying this formula, we get the solution as p we know is 25,000, right? 1 minus 0.15 to the power of t, right? Now to solve this, we know t is 5 years, so we'll need a calculator to solve this, right? 25,000, 1 minus 0.515 gives me 0.85 to the power of 5, correct? So we can use the calculator and find the answer. So we get 25,000 times, so we can write within brackets 0.85 exponent 5 equals to 11092.63. So we get our answer as 11092.63. Now using the formula, this is the way you can solve it. But in case you don't know the formula, right? In case you haven't learned this, in that case, how are you going to solve the question? Now in that case, you should be making a table of values. You can say, let this be the original cost, which is, let us say, 25,000, right? Now it says every year, so if t after 1 year, what will happen? So every year what happens? So after 1 year, it actually reduces by 15%. 15% of its value. You get the point. The value of the car depreciates at a rate of 15% annually, right? So you get this. You can find 15% of this amount and then take away that amount, right? So we get 15% of, so that means 0.15 of that amount. So 15% of 25,000 is equals to 3750, right? So that is 15%, right? Now that value should be deducted from 25,000. So we get 25,000 take away 3750, which is our answer, is equal to, so what you get is $21,250, right? So what I'm trying to tell you is, you can make a table like this, correct? Where one column of the table will be the deduction or depreciation, right? Depreciation rate per year. So that is the, and that is the value after depreciation, correct? So this will be the amount given here. Let me call this as the amount, right? So the amount minus, let us say this is depreciation. So this column will be A minus D. You get my point, right? So you can continue this column and then find your answer. So that is the alternate way of solving this question. So in case you don't know what this formula is, then you can apply this technique to answer the question, right? I hope that helps. Now this particular list of videos is for students who have done maths long time back and now they are again getting back to the college. So it is for them, therefore they might have forgotten some things. I hope these techniques help them to get the right answers. Thank you and all the best.